Are you videotaping me? Yeah. Oh wow. To Tuscany. The sun has come back out. It's beautiful. Here we are. Other houses that are mostly dominantly warm toned color. This is a great place to sketch. Oh, kitty cat! Oh, kitty cat! This is our very rectangular room. Pizza bed. From here, you get to walk outside and enjoy this. And little duckies down in the pond. Look at that cool building in the back. With vino. What is Tuscany without vino? Oh, it's so beautiful. I like this landscape.
It is gorgeous.
Especially with that house in the background, in the middle of the...
Oh, it's gorgeous.
I can't see what's in the lens, but...
Vino is beautiful.
Yes, I know it's beautiful. I accidentally made these guys believe that I was gonna feed them. Bye, chicken. I'm sorry, I don't want to get attached. A goat standing right there, and we are going to have wine tasting today. Tomorrow we're gonna have cooking class, and then whatever disaster or success that's gonna be, we're gonna eat it. Okay.
This vineyard is the newest, so like the grapes, they don't have the potential to stainless steel containers, fermenters.
This is where they store the bottles.
Nothing really.
Outside of our second wine tasting area, and I just thought this place was really cool. And this place is called Capitoni. I am guessing it means captain. Second one here.
The more difficult the conditions, the better the grape.
More rain or more humidity is a problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're in a cooking class. Well,
Excellent.
double rainbow.
3, 2, 1.
One of the must-dos, walk around a local store. And I just learned that for the Italian people, spaghetti or angel hair are not really pasta because they're not fresh like this. These are freshly made. They can be frozen and be used for months. So yeah, a little bit of culture shock over there. Going from Florence airport to Rome by train. It's about an hour and 36 minutes train to Roma, the last stop of our trip. Join my membership space. Get exclusive personal sharings in English from me and interact with other followers in the comment section. Check out my shop. There's a lot of good stuff in there.